This is 3000 watts inverter I have inside of a toolbox here. So it's 48 volts I have here. So I install circuit breaker myself. These are a circuit breaker. They are 15 amp, 20 amp. This is 20 amp. This is 20. This is 20. This is 15. These are my solar charger controller. These are my switch to turn on my inverter. When I go like this, my inverter it turn on. Yeah, this turn on my inverter. Then this switch here so is for my solar panel controller. But I have not have no solar panel on it as yet. You see, it is 48 volt. These here so are my circuit breaker I made myself. I'm not an electrician, so you need an electrician to do this shit. Okay? These here so these are outlet I install myself. They are CFGI. That is a 20 amp. This one here so is a 15 amp. So when I turn on my breaker, you see, then it came on. Then for the other one, I turn on, you see the light flash? That came on. So this will run a table saw, a jigsaw, anything. This is my backup power. This is my other update. This here so a breaker install myself. This is 20 amp. This is 15 amp. This is 20 amp. This is 15 amp. This is my solar charger controller. I gotta install for a solar panel by the side. This is the switch to turn it off. When you do like this, it turn on back. So this is 3000 watts, 6000 peak inverter. I have 48 volt. I have 4 battery running it. So this is my other update I built. This you need an electrician to do this stuff. So this is 20 amp breaker. This one. This is 15 amp. This is 20 amp. This is 15 amp. So my inverter is protected. My inverter will not blow. These here so will actually chip by itself. If anything happen, it will actually just flip by itself. This is my update on my DIY power station. 3000 watts, 6000 peak inverter. This is 3000 watts. This I could plug in anything to it. These here so are my plug by the side. These here so and this plug here is waterproof plug. Those is CFGI plug I install myself. This is CFGI plug I install myself. So this right here is my toolbox. This is a 20 amp breaker for one plug. This 15 amp for another plug. This I gotta install an next plug. This I gotta install an next plug. So this will chip by itself if anything happens, if my inverter overload. This is my switch to turn it off. This is my switch to turn it off. So this is my 3000 watts inverter I have inside the toolbox.